Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. I got so many requests from you guys to make something from the adorable animated movie The Incredibles, and I got requests to make something super easy mode. So I'm gonna combine these requests. We're gonna be making some decorated dipped Oreos to look like the Incredible logo. If you haven't seen the movie before, one, you are missing out. It is so cool. It's about a family who has superhero powers and they're learning, well, the parents but then the kids get them for the first time and they're learning how to use them. And there's a guy, he didn't have superpowers, but he wanted to help, but they were like, no, you can't. Then he got really mad, and then he like kind of became Tony Stark. This is a spoiler. Maybe I should have probably said that at the beginning. And it's a ball, but it has legs on it, like a spider, but more like just like an eyeball with legs on the bottom. I actually think I should start a new series on YouTube where I just explain movie plots to y'all after seeing the movie once. I thought the perfect cookie to decorate would be an Oreo. They are a dark color like the Incredibles uniform, and the red candy melts will dip them in will also match. This is like their costume color palette. Fashion! Let's get started. The things you'll need to make these incredible dipped Oreos will be Oreo cookies, red candy melts, orange candy melts, black candy melts, and yellow candy melts. You'll also need 3 piping bags. I fitted them with a number 2 tip at the end. Now let's put it all together. This treat is super easy. The first step is dipping our Oreos, and before you dip, you've got to heat up your red candy melts. Take an Oreo and drop it in. I'm gonna be using a fork to cover the Oreo in candy melt. Gently tap the fork to get off all the excess. Then transfer over to a baking sheet lined with a piece of wax paper. Keep doing this to all of your Oreos. You can make as many as you'd like. After you've dipped all of the Oreo cookies, let them sit off to the side, and while they're setting, we are going to make some decorations. Over here is a template that I made in Photoshop. I'll put a link down below, so if you want to use this template, feel free. And we're gonna use it to make our cookie decorations. I have a cutting board with a piece of wax paper. Place your template on top of the cutting board. Pull the wax paper flat. Tape down the corners. Start by piping the outer ring of the logo. Fill in the center of the logo with some melted black candy melt. Try to avoid the eye. Once the black has hardened, pipe the eye design. Our Oreos are dipped and our candy melt designs have set. Now we are gonna combine them together. Over here I have some leftover warm candy melts, and I'm gonna use this to act as an adhesive. Pick up the wax paper with your logos on them and peel them up. Then on the back, put a little bit of candy melt and stick it on top of your Oreo. Then do this to the rest of your Oreos. Ta-da! Here are Incredibles themed Oreos that we made today. A super easy mode treat that's pretty incredible. These incredible Oreo treats are a great idea for parties or get-togethers, and I really like these because you can decorate them any way you'd like. You can make them look like any superhero logo. I'm gonna take lots of pictures and post the instructions on RosannaPansino.com, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, so you can check it out there. And if you guys make these little treats or any other Oreo themed treat, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. If you have any other ideas for any other nerdy nummies, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to make it happen. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks, bye-bye. And now a candy Oreo for me. It's a good day. Bye guys.